Hey friends, welcome to my vlog Sahla Parveen. So in this video, I just want to speak few very important points that I have noted recently to all the YouTubers and TikTok stars who are watching my video. So it's about the group which I am also included as a YouTuber. See, I have seen, recently after lockdown, the TikTok videos are increasing so much. Even a lot of people have started YouTube videos. It's really nice to have a channel, to be creative, to be, to bring something beautiful to the society through your channel. It's extremely nice. But most of them are getting really addicted to it, especially our teenagers are into TikTok so much. Children and teenagers, children to around 25, 26 years people are, I think, more into TikTok. They are making wonderful videos. I really appreciate their talent. But when our teens are getting addicted to these kind of things, I think all their creativity is only taken into making such videos rather than doing something beautiful. See, the platforms like YouTube, TikTok, all they have given some beautiful platform to do something, and they want us to, do videos in that. But what we have to understand it, we should not get addicted to it. If I say an example, once in a while going and having a SFC, or going and having food from Pizza Hut once in a month or once in 2 weeks, it's quite okay, it's fine, it's healthy. But if you have three times meals as these kind of junk food, what will happen to your body? The same thing is happening to your mind when we are getting addicted to these kind of things. Either you are watching a TikTok video or you are making a TikTok video. So what I think is, our teenagers are taking the whole time to either make or to watch the videos to make a better ones, because there is a peer group pressure. The friends are there, all my friends are there. You are not in TikTok, you are not there in YouTube, why don't you do? So they are channelized into these boxes that they just only go through these boxes. Their whole life is gone into that. I know personally my friends and relatives who actually take all their time to make TikTok videos to make it better and better, to get more likes. See, actually, will that give you happiness in long term? Are you learning anything new from it? See, you can take 1 hour or maximum 2 hours to do all these things in a day. Rest of the day, I think our teens should invest in, invest their time to do something creative, find out something beautiful. I am really happy I didn't have a teenage of TikToks and YouTube's, or Facebook was there, but not this popular. So I had time to draw, to do things that I really, really love to do. I want each of you to understand that you are, taking your precious time to do all these things. So of course you can do, but limit your time. 1 or 2 hours maximum. Don't get addicted to anything. If you want to know, are you addicted to social media or not, just take a 1 day challenge. 1 day off your all the social media Wi-Fi and just do other things in your day. If you are able to complete a 24 hours without social media, then you are still controlling the social media, not that the social media is controlling you. So any addiction starts like this. Either it is alcohol drinking or smoking. First you think that you are doing the things, but after some time, our body starts demanding these things, that alcohol starts drinking you. That's where it gets unhealthy. So anything, you have to control it. You have to take control over your life. What have you learned each day? Have you learned anything new? Are you investing your time beautifully? See, I also watch all this video, I also like, but I make sure that I don't take more than a specific time to do all this kind of things. And also nowadays, this kind of troll videos, or the videos making troll of other videos are being increased. See, troll videos are extremely nice when you are doing it in a very positive way. But when you are doing negative troll, about a person, see, everyone are smiling and showing they are happy, positive, powerful through our social medias. But you don't know who is actually going through deep pain and depression deep inside. Do they really have a confidence to face all the trolls that we all are making? So let's not hurt anyone through our creativity. We can do much beautiful things being creative in our life. See, few months back I had seen a news of a beautiful Korean singer had committed suicide because she couldn't manage, or she was so sad seeing her social media being trolled and all the negative messages. So reading all the negative messages, she committed suicide. So she was very happy, very positive, vibrant soul. All her photos are so smiling, all her songs are a beautiful hit. So we don't know what people are going inside. So let's not hurt anyone purposely. Let's just help each other, uplift each other, bring each one to a better person. See, even in social media, what we can do is we can give our hand to the other person and help each person to come up in life. When you are going to the next level, why should you actually hit someone else, or break someone, or get on top of someone else and go up? That happiness is not going to last forever. So invest your time thoughtfully. What you are doing, is this productive? Of course you can have entertainment, but make sure that your whole day is not entertainment. Your life is so precious and so beautiful. Invest time in reading something new, learning something new, and when you have learned something new, do share that to your social media friends so that people also can learn. Make a beautiful lifestyle, share that to the people around you, rather than only just acting for the films that has already over. And just doing all those things are actually, I think, uh, throwing away your actual creativity, the natural creativity that should come from within you as a growing soul. So evolve yourself, learn more, be a beautiful soul. Of course, have entertainment in your life, but also make sure that you are learning something genuinely beautiful and uplifting the people around you. Thank you so much.